You know what? One thing I love about this particular app is that you don't have to go live for you to start earning. All right, you don't have to go live for you to start earning. Although you can also earn by going live. All right, by joining any family that you find. Right, family or room. All right. But as soon as you register, you get to withdraw your earnings straight to your USDC account. Okay, USDC is the means of withdrawal here. Right. As soon as you click on the link in the description or in the comments below, right, it will take you to a page where you'll be asked to claim something, and then you would be redirected to to download it via Play Store, right? Then when you download it, you open the app, right? When you open the app, something will be showing for you to what claim. Then you claim it on your screen, and then you click on withdraw right here. Click on this withdraw button. All right, you click on it. Click on it as a first time user, right? As a newbie user, the first thing you'll be asked to do is to withdraw 0.1 to activate your account. So that is like your registration bonus and like your verification. That is like your verification, okay? So for you to activate your account, you need to withdraw that 0.1, right? 0.1 will be showing right here, right? Click on it and withdraw, okay? Click on it and withdraw, all right? When you level up to level 30, which you can achieve within 24 hours, you'll be able to withdraw this 10 USDT right here. Okay, all right. So for you to withdraw, you click on the 0.1, and then it will take you to this page. It's a select a withdrawal method. There is just one withdrawal method, which is the USDC, and you can get it on Trust Wallet. You can get it on Binance, Bybit, anywhere at all. You can get it on any wallet you have available, as long as it's crypto wallet, right? And the network you need to select, the network here is Ethereum, right? Ethereum network, or ERC20, ERC20 based network, right? So just look for any USDC, ERC20, or Ethereum network, and you paste it here, paste the address right here, and then you click on confirm withdrawal right here. So very quickly, I will be going to my Bybit to copy my USDC address, and I paste it here for withdrawal. You see, within minutes it will arrive in my USDC address, right? So here is my Bybit. So I'm going to open it, and I'll click on deposit, right? So I'll go to my assets. I'll go to my assets, my assets. Sorry about this. So I'll click on assets, and then I'll click on deposit. Click on deposit, and then, so what am I depositing? I'm depositing crypto. So this is what I'm depositing here. I'll select that. So then I'm going to search for, you're going to search for USDC up there, USDC, right? Then you select the first one, this one. Select the first one and allow it to load. And then you select the chain, allow it to load, right? Now select the chain. The chain is Ethereum ERC20, all right? ERC20, just click on it, right? So now you copy, click here to copy it. So I've copied it. Now I'll go here and paste it. This is our USDC ERC20 address. So we check it. You see, it is USDC ERC20 Ethereum network, right? Now I'll click on confirm withdrawal. Click here to confirm withdrawal. Now I click on confirm, and withdrawal has been submitted. Within minutes, it is going to arrive on my Bybit. So for now, I'll wait for it. So that is how to activate your account on this particular app. The link to this is in the description of this video. It won't even take you up to 10 minutes, or let's say it won't even take you up to 3 minutes for you to achieve this. All right, within 3 minutes you'll be able to withdraw, register and withdraw this to your Bybit or to any of your crypto wallets. So, and all you need to do for you to keep earning on this platform is keep claiming your bonuses. That is it. Keep claiming your farm production, and every minute, for a start, every minute you'll be claiming it. All right, and you'll be leveling up. Right, you keep claiming and leveling up. You can join any room. You can invite your friends. But invitation does not pay much. You get 79 naira per invite, and also get 0.1 per invite too. Okay, so it's all left on you. Okay, if you feel like you want to be referring people, no problem. But I didn't get this through referrals. I got this through actively participating in things on this app. All right. Also, you can also get yourself a bottler. This bottler here, you can also get yourself a bottler by clicking on this withdraw, this place. Click here, and click on shop, right? Switch to shop, and then you see housekeeper. This will help you to be claiming your farm produce even if you're offline, right? If you click on it, it will help you to be claiming your farm produce even if you're offline. Okay, if you don't have time and you're a busy person, this will help you to be keeping track of your farm produce. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. All the best.